Lately, I've been craving the kind of calm that doesn't come from switching off your phone, but from slowing down. I'm at my parents' house in Jaipur, and my time over here has always been about enjoying the same maa ke haath ka khana I've been having since childhood, my yoga class, and spending most of my time just chilling around in the house. I really like my life over here because I don't live in the chaotic, the city part of Jaipur, which means I get to enjoy the calm, I get to enjoy the weather without any disturbances. I can have my breakfast looking at a view, chilling. If not a view, just sitting in my balcony, enjoying my breakfast. You know, जब आप पहाड़ों पे जाते हो तो कैसे बेसिक चीज़ जैसे मैगी आपको अच्छी लगती है because of the atmosphere, the surrounding. Similarly, when I come to Jaipur, just because it's so calm, peaceful, and the weather right now is really nice, I can enjoy a dhokla like it's like the best food in the world. I've been the kind of person who danced, tried workouts, but not yoga majorly. वो मैंने यहाँ आके ही शुरू किया. Initially, I went there just because my mom did, and after I had my ligament tear, this became a regular part of my life. I've stayed in Mumbai most of my life, but Jaipur somehow still feels like home. यहाँ पे आके ऐसे कह सकते हैं कि मैंने खुद को rediscover किया. No doubts I love Mumbai, and it will always be my first love. बट जब आप अपने कंफर्ट से बाहर निकलते हो तभी कभी कभी कोई चीज़ें रियलाइज़ होती है. 10 years पहले जब माई डैड आस्क्ड मी इफ़ आई वॉज ओके मूविंग टू जयपुर आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग ऑलमोस्ट 15-20 years इन मुंबई, मैंने एक ब्लिंक में हाँ बोल दिया. यू नो, बिकॉज एज अ यंगस्टर देयर वाज अ लॉट गोइंग ऑन इन माई पर्सनल लाइफ, एंड आप कभी कभी ऐसे ही पता है डिसीजंस लेते हो कि यार काश लाइफ में मौका मिले, सब चेंज करूँगी, न्यू बिगिनिंग, एंड आई थॉट जयपुर कुड बी दैट न्यू बिगिनिंग फॉर मी. Little did I know it actually was. I fell in love with myself over here like never before. I'm an introvert, तो नए लोगों को मिलने का ज़्यादा शौक तो मुझे पहले से ही नहीं था. But यहाँ आके I got to discover myself. I realized how much I love food. And my passion for content creation also grew here. जॉब भी अच्छी ही थी, but I decided to quit it after 2 years. I started spending more time with my parents and we became best friends. I mean, I know lockdown ने बहुत लोगों को अपने parents से close लेकर आए होंगे, and I think it was the same for me, but because we were also very secluded, like we were in Jaipur and not in Mumbai anymore, I got even closer to them. Loving yoga or any form of workout is what I used to religiously do over here. I didn't even know I was a foodie until I moved here. I mean, I love fancy food, but have you ever tried avocado khakra? वो भी मैंने यहाँ पे लॉकडाउन में I think कोई recipes के through discover किया. I went to the mall where I didn't shoot at all, but I got myself a Belgian waffle. Now I'll enjoy it while I watch the show called The Beast in You.
पर ये दबा दे तो ये क्या अगर कुछ बोल दे तो ये दबा दे.
हाँ.
पहले से दबा.
I mean, I always miss Mumbai food, तो कभी कभी टपरी से वड़ा पाव मंगवा लेती हूँ. It's obviously not the same, but surprisingly, I like the different vada pav taste over here. I think my relationship with food has changed a lot over the years. Earlier, it was jumping from one craving to another. Now it's about enjoying the basics like fresh fruits, maa ke haath ka thepla, even something as tasty as a homemade chili cheese toast. I love to satisfy my food cravings even now, but अब कोई regret नहीं होता if I do because I've finally learned to keep a balance. I love staying with my parents because there is always food around me. I'm not a very healthy person. Like, unless something is tasty, I cannot have it. So, this has a palak, tomato, and thoda sa amla juice, nimbu, black pepper. But it is tasty, like you can have it. There's paneer, there's cheese, there's capsicum, there's cabbage. My mom is actually the one who has never forced me to eat something. वो हमेशा फूड को एंजॉय करना सिखाती है. I mean, ये देखिए कितना हेल्दी है, या ये इसके साथ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा तो इसके साथ ट्राई कर. अरे कोई बात नहीं, तू ट्राई तो कर, अच्छा नहीं लगे तो कोई बात नहीं. And you know, just watching her actually practicing this in her own life, I have become a grown up who enjoys food. I mean, I'm not very attached. I am somewhere in between. I mean, I don't count my calories, but मैं एकदम non-stop junk भी नहीं खाती हूँ. You know what I mean? And ये सब changes majorly happened after we moved to Jaipur, maybe during the lockdown. It was already so cold in Jaipur and now it has started drizzling, so it's like raining, plus it's very cold. Tell me you're a Marwadi without telling me you're a Marwadi through your breakfast. I have poha and I have bhujia on it. I generally don't put it, but just sometimes I just have to. I feel like, so I just do it. The sun is not out today, so I'm gonna go inside and have my breakfast. It is so frothy. So people talk about all the things you should get from Jaipur, but if you're coming here during winters, you should definitely get peas matar from here because they're like the tiniest and the sweetest and the best quality you will get if you like it. I'm married now and moved back to Mumbai, but whenever I need like a little break, I run back here. So glad to have found a place that feels like this. Have you ever felt connected to a place like this before, only because of the memories you've had attached to the place? Although I still sometimes think कि attachment शायद मुझे mom dad से है and not the place. But ठीक है, I still love the place for the experiences I've had over here. So my point is, अगर मौका मिले to give a fresh start to your life, तो try करके भी देख सकते हो. I mean, it pretty much worked out for me. Maybe it might work out for you as well. So I went for a wedding yesterday, came home extremely late and tired, and today morning it started raining, and it's already so cold here in Jaipur. So there was no reason for me to go for my yoga class, but I'm so glad that I'm decided to go because this month my agenda is to just follow my plan and not my mood.